Hi, my name is Ifza Fathima from grade 2E. Today I am going to show you an experiment of volcanic explosion. Here I have some vinegar and I mixed with it red food coloring just to make it like the real lava red flowing too. And here I got some baking soda and I'm going to put it in here. Wow! Did you see that amazing explosion? It's red too, like the real lava. This chemical reaction happens when vinegar's acetic acid reacts with baking soda's bicarbonate to form carbonic acid. Carbonic acid breaks apart into carbon dioxide and water. The bubble comes from escaping carbon dioxide. So that's it for today. Bye.